Hey guys, today I'm back with these cute butterfly nails. I was inspired to do these from by simplynailogical, her video where she painted butterfly nails. And in the video she sponged on her unicorn skins, and I had never done that before, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I hope you enjoy. So I started off with painting all of my nails with one coat black. And then I applied some protective peel to protect my cuticles. And once the protective peel had dried, I used my Hollow Taco Cosmic Unicorn skin and I applied it to a sponge, letting the sponge absorb the polished part, leaving the flakies behind. I just stamped that on my nails. And in here I'm just sponging on a second coat. And then just dab until I was happy with the opacity. And I love these, I could have kept them just as they were here. And then I just peeled off my liquid latex. And I just cleaned up the extra flakies that was on my skin. So going in with my Hollow Taco, purple flaky Hollow Taco, I applied a thin layer of that to give a bit of sparkle, because butterflies are magical. And then I applied a layer of glossy top coat, and I waited 20 minutes for that to dry before I went in with some black acrylic paint to paint the butterflies. So I started off with a curved line at the top left of my nail, and then I did stripes diagonally across my nail to the bottom. And then once I'd done that, along the tip of the nail, I created the curved little lines of the butterfly wings, connecting them to the lines. And I also did round the outside so it didn't look so weird. I just fussed around with it for a bit until I was happy with my painting. And then I just went over to make sure that acrylic paint was really thick. And then with a dotting tool, I went in with a white acrylic paint to create some spots at the tip of the nail, using the two different sizes for the different dots. And finally a glossy top coat. And on my index and pinky fingers, I just left it with the unicorn skins and the purple flaky Hollow Taco. And there they go, these butterfly nails, and I was so happy with the way these came out, I didn't want to take them off. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!